What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and how you doing, boo? Girl, I'm doing wonderful. Y'all want to know why? Of course you do. We have our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. Now, y'all, honestly, I thought I canceled this. No, I thought I paused it. But when it arrived, I said, oh, okay. So we're going to be doing Ipsy Glam bag today. So if you guys want to see what I got in my July's bag, don't move from that spot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, loves. Hi. As I said in the intro, I'm your girl, Tonyanicole. Welcome. Today is going to be very short and sweet, my loves. We're going to be doing Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July, and I'm excited to see what I got. I think I got some add-ons, too. Before I go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I appreciate you all dearly. I do have a drink today, guys. It's just a regular old, I think it's a Coke Zero. Yeah, Coke Zero. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Ipsy Glam bag. This one is the $12 per month bag. You're supposed to get 5 deluxe sample sized with the occasional full-size product in here each month. And I did choose some add-ons, and I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. So without further ado, let's get this bag on and poppin'. Boo, a dance break and a drink break. I just want to keep you guys updated that I have been doing vlogs recently. I've posted a couple on my channel, so I will link them down below, and I'll link a couple up here. So make sure you guys check them out. It would do me a great honor if you would, and let me know your thoughts. So let's get right on into this bag. We're not gonna play, baby. Open it up. So we're gonna start with the 3 add-ons really quick. The first add-on I got is from Sugar, and this is the Matte as Hell crayon lipstick here. All right, that's what it looks like outside of the plastic. And that's the crayon top right there. Ooh, it's beautiful. Nice, beautiful color. Love it. All right, that was add-on number 1. And then add-on number 2 was the Mr. Handy brush from MODT. I love it. It's a nice small brush, perfect for going like right underneath your eyes, or maybe blending out concealer. I think I will use this brush to blend out my concealer. Love it. And then our last add-on was from Item Beauty, and this is a Brow Chow brow pencil, girl. So on this end, it has this little brush here. It's like the Fenty brow product, and also here is the actual shade. That's a little ashy, so let me swatch it out. And it's just a brunette right here, guys. Alrighty, now let's get into our little bag. This is the bag for the month. Absolutely gorgeous. It says Stay Golden on the front, which happens to be the theme for this month. And let me show you all the card. There you go, right there. On the inside, guys, we do get a list of products and some prices, so I'm excited about that. And let's just go ahead and pull out. So first up, we have the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer from, who's this from? First Aid Beauty. Hydrate, smooth, and prep your skin for makeup with this 3-in-1 primer. The secret, a blend of nutrient-rich coconut water that make your skin look super luminous and glowy. This is the deluxe size, guys. Full size retails for $30. I'm not gonna open it. Oh, it doesn't have a seal. Okay. It's just like a brown. Can you see? Oh, girl, it's coming out. Well, I might as well put it on my hand now. So it's like this little pearl color right there. I think that's a little too much, but it's this pearl-ish color. So that's our first product. I will definitely use this because I love First Aid Beauty. So, and it does smell like coconut. All right, guys, first product. All right, next up, guys, we have from Way, and this is the Scalp and Body Scrub right here. Beautiful. And let's open it up. Oh, God, it smells really good. I think I may have to use this. It's like, you know, like a sugary scrub. It smells divine. But it is a scalp and body scrub. Word has it, once you try this scrub, you will be 100% hooked by its skin smoothing effects. This weekly exfoliator uses sugar crystals to gently buff away dead skin, while probiotics leave your skin's natural Microbiome Balanced and Happy. This is a deluxe size, guys. Regular one, big size rather, retails for $38, and I will be using this. This is really, I love the smell. Our next product comes from Grace and Stella, and this is a foaming face wash right here. I do love Grace and Stella's products, and it says this gentle fragrance-free cleanser is everything you want in a face wash. It's fluffy, foamy, and fresh. It'll remove any dirt, excess oil, and impurities that accumulate on the skin throughout the day. This right here, my loves, is deluxe sample. Full size is $16. This seemed like a big old sample. You get 60 milliliters of product in here. I won't open it, but I definitely will be using it. Next product up is from Farrah, and this is a tweezer right here. All right, now I don't know how I feel about no tweezer, but this is the $12 bag, and I'm not lying, y'all, I always need a good old tweezer. I really do. So let's open it so you can see it, and the color is really pretty. Look at that. So you got like the slanted edge here and the pointed edge there. This is full size. It retails for $13. So you can do lashes with these or pluck your brows. Whatever you choose to do, boo, is your world, right? And then our final product is in this pink little bubble wrap. And it is a Araceli Aztec Eyes palette. It's a mini palette. All right, and we open it up. Oh, this looks like somebody's, I don't like how that looks. I don't know if somebody swatched it, but there was no plastic over it, and like on the brown one, it looks like it's kind of, oh, I don't know. All right, the colors are very pretty though. What is that? I don't know. Colors are very pretty though, and this is the eyeshadow duo in copper and chocolate. This retails for $30 for the full size, guys, and this is a deluxe size. I don't like the width. I don't know if it, I don't think it is. I don't think it's swatched. I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it though. That's how they look on my fingers, and that's how it looks on my hand. What is that noise? All right, loves, that was our final product. So we're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Way this scalp and body scrub, from Araceli this eyeshadow palette, from Grace and Stella this foaming facial cleanser, from Farrah brushes these tweezers, and from First Aid Beauty this hydrating base primer. So these 5 products here, and my 3 little add-ons here. Final thoughts on this month's bag. I think if I did not have the add-ons, I really wouldn't be excited about this bag. I do like that we got this body and scalp scrub, the eyeshadow palette, the face wash, the primer, the tweezers. It was a decent bag, honestly. It gave you a little bit of everything, I guess. I'm just not, I'm not really super thrilled about all of these skincare products and only one makeup product, but I mean, it is the $12 bag, and the other products I actually will use. I absolutely love my 3 add-on products. So overall, I'm gonna say it was okay. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I would probably give it like a 2.5 for this month. So Ipsy, I'm gonna need y'all to do y'all glam bags a little better, because this used to be my favorite, but yeah, I may be skipping for the next month, so. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you got your Ipsy bag. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please become a part of my family. I would love to have you. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. All of those are down below. And that's all I have. Oh, thumbs this video up, boo. Yes. And go check my vlogs out, boo. It's about to start getting a little lit. I'm trying to get comfortable before I really let the real cat out. Just joking. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye.